Beats, the producer, songwriter, and entrepreneur.
What's good, guys? It's your boy Raquan B. So I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make homemade ice cream. Yes, homemade ice cream. A backstory behind it: when I used to be in middle school, I would always save my milk from lunch, and I would go home and I would make my mom ice cream every day. I always tried to give her something. If it wasn't my chips or you know, whatever snack I got for that day, I would always make sure to save my milk, so that way I could always do something for my mom when I got out of school. So yeah, that's the backstory behind that. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. It's a simple way, something you can do with your family, friends. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. A lot of people keep telling me, oh, I didn't know that you wanted me to share it. So share it. What's good, guys? As you can see, you need sugar, you need milk. I use 2%. You can use regular milk, almond milk, whatever you choose. Whipping cream. You're gonna need ice cream salt, also known as rock salt. And I have Oreos because I'm gonna be making cookies and cream, which is my favorite and it's the best. And then you're gonna need Ziploc bags, or you can use a storage container, whatever you choose. Let's get started. All right, guys, on the left we have a half a cup of sugar. Then we have a half a cup of whipping cream. Then we have 2 cups of milk. Then we have a half a cup of rock salt. Then we have a bowl of ice. You're gonna need the ice. And then we have some Oreos chopped up. And then we have our 2 hefty bags. So we're gonna go ahead, and in the container, we got our spoon. So we're gonna whip. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna pour the 2 cups of milk, the half a cup of cream, we're gonna do the half a cup of sugar, so we get the whipping. Hey. I do this for real, Chef Quan. Uh-oh, got something on the floor. All right, so what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take our cookies and we're gonna mix them in there. Y'all know cookies and creams is God's greatest creation since women, right? Woo. All right, so now we got that mix. We're gonna take this bag right here and we're gonna pour it in there. Look at that goodness. Ooh. Won't he do it? He said he will. Something. I don't know the rest of the words. But. So now we have it in this pouch, right? So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take a big Ziploc bag. Take some ice cubes, you know what I mean? Whoops. Stick your hand in there. Throw a little rock salt on that thing, you know what I'm talking about? And you want to put the other bag in there. So you want to put this bag inside. And the reason why I got Ziploc bags, because the other ones where you press on, I'm not really sure what they call. Sometimes stuff can get in them. So we're gonna throw the rest of the ice in there. Put that rock salt in there like that, right there. Push it in like that. Let's knock some of that air out. So what I'm gonna do is, these towels come from JC Penney. Forest, Penney, Johnny. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in there. We're gonna shake it. Lord. Hey, hey. EKLC. Hey. Woo. He's moving right now. Don't quench the spirit. Don't quench him. Woo. Woo. Is this what women feel like when they trying to push that baby out? It won't come out. Hey, glory, glory. Oh, oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, hey. Come on, you do it. Oh, hey. Hey. Do y'all ever notice when people be shouting and they do that? When they do that, like, do something happen? And they do that little dip. Like, man, you about to get up before you break your heel. Oh! It's forming, y'all. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. It won't work. Say God will do. Well, God ain't moving on my voice tonight, so I'm gonna stop. So you want to shake it for about 5 minutes. So guys, we've shaken it. Let's see what it tastes like. Another way you can do it is you can get like a Folgers coffee can. You know, take all the coffee beans out once you use your coffee or whatever, and then you put it in there and you can just roll it back and forth. Yummy. Ooh. So amazing. As you can see, as ice cream is starting to melt because I have the light on, so the light is starting to melt it, but it is delicious. Oh, you guys are still there? Listen, this was extremely fun to do. As I said in the beginning, I gave you the story about how I learned how to do this. Try it out. Get your family, get your kids, your cousins, your friends, whoever, and try it. You know, use the flavors that you like, strawberry, banana, whatever the case may be. So I need you guys to like, follow, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Be blessed.